Hello, my revivers. If you are new to my channel, you will not know that I used to do a lot of cook with me's, and I have some awesome meals on my channel, some great crock pot meals, some great one pot meals for the oven, and also some great just meal ideas if you want to try something new. I will be doing some smothered pork chops, and I also will be doing some creamy chicken inside my crock pot. Tonight, I'm going to be doing a honey garlic glazed salmon with some fresh spinach and some homemade mashed potatoes. So I'm just going to show you this little haul. So for those of you who said you miss my cook with me's, I'll be trying to get those back with you guys again so you guys can enjoy my cook with me's. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go look at my cooking with CPR or cooking in the kitchen with CPR, something like that. It's a playlist, and you can see tons of great recipes from baked goods to just great meals, great meal ideas. So starting from here, we have some chicken breast, we have some pork chops, some center cut pork chops. We have some flour. I ran out of flour, and my hubby wants the cinnamon, my cinnamon streusel bread. I had a video that I put up on it, so you can see how to make that. It is the bomb. And my zucchini bread. I want some zucchini bread, but I couldn't find any really good zucchinis in the stores we went to, so I decided I'll just do the cinnamon bread after the banana bread is gone. So that's Rizzy coming in. Then we ran out of the basmati rice. I told you if it's not basmati, it would be jasmine rice. We were using Dollar Tree, but I just wanted something a little bit thinner. But Dollar Tree rice is the bomb as well. If I decide, hey, let me just grab some rice. I'm not going all the way to Walmart because they don't have jasmine rice at Dollar Tree. But the big bag we had from Sam's is now like down to nothing. So I had to grab some rice. We have some raspberry lemonade, and we have some honey. I needed some honey for my meal tonight. We have some regular lemonade, some Dijon mustard, some Gouda cheese from Walmart, 2 cans of cream of chicken, some Ritz crackers with a hint of salt, so a little bit low sodium, some apples. My husband done ate 2 apples already. He's actually eating one now, and he ate one in the car. He loved these. These ones are the Red Delicious, so that's what he liked. Now, I got these, and y'all know what Aldi's, if you're new to Aldi's or never shopped at Aldi's before, they have a double guarantee on their stuff. So, wait, let me see. Hold on. I don't see it on here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't see it. Oh, they changed it. Aldi's twice as nice guarantee. Oh, it used to be a square. So basically, item replaced and money refunded if you don't like something. I love lemon cookies, so I wanted to try these lemon flavored sandwich biscuits. Hopefully they taste good. It's that time of month, so I be wanting and craving sweets. Rizzy loves this string cheese. I've tried Aldi string cheese. I've tried Sam's string cheese, and for some reason, this one right here, she loves this one. So I got that. I got vinegar because I love to keep this vinegar in my home, and come to find out, I was getting the Heinz one from Walmart, and Aldi sells the gallon, and it is way cheaper. So if you like to have vinegar in your house, white vinegar for cleaning, I put white vinegar in my clothes. It helps with the smell of your clothes, to get the smell out of your laundry and to get it smelling fresh. So white vinegar is a must to have in the house. And for all my DIY cleaning products, which you should be able to see a playlist of those on my DIY playlist. Ginger ales, we always have to have those. If we want some type of carbonated drink, it will be a ginger ale. I have Italian dressing seasoning for one of my crock pot meals. We have some spinach, 2 bags, because I'm making that, and y'all know that dwindles down to nothing, so that's enough for all of us. My husband wanted some cheese and garlic croutons for his salad, and we got these plums that look so freaking good and tasty, and they're not hard. They feel soft, like you can eat them right now, and they will be the bomb. Butter, because I'm always baking, and I like to have butter on hand, even in my kitchen, just for when I want to butter my bread or anything like that. So this is that banana bread. This is some of the chocolate chip cookies, and I like to keep butter on hand like that. So that's what I'm talking about. So, and then we also got some potatoes, some white potatoes from Aldi's. So that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will be sharing my meals that I create with this as well. So I'm probably going to be recording these. You already seen my smothered pork chops before. I believe I already got a video, or was it smothered chicken? I can't remember, but I don't know if that's something that I don't have up and y'all interested in. Let me know as soon as y'all can if that's something y'all interested in. But I will share this one, and I will share the one that I'm doing tonight to show you how I make my glazed salmon. And that is it. That is all. I'm trying to make sure, because sometimes I'll have stuff behind me. That is it. That is my small mini haul for this week, because we shop weekly. We're trying to shop weekly now instead of shopping and doing too much, so we could just have small hauls. And we already had our meat for this week. Is actually Saturday, and today is Friday, so I'm cooking, and then these two actually are going to be for Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, it's kind of weird the way we do it, but this is what works for us. And, and we have some apple cider. He wanted some. He had a taste for it. And we got this from Aldi's. Yep, this is from Aldi's. So that is my haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you see. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I will do my best to answer the questions and get back to you guys. All right, later, gators.